大金，还有小鸡丁。神奇的双节棍呼啦啦啦，我就喜欢爆米花。黄鼠狼不要小看我们，我可是小鸡不好惹。
我们是出名的黄鼠狼，我们有锋利的爪子和尖尖的牙。
今天我们就要去捉鸡了，
小鸡们，你们可要小心了！
我们是小鸡不好惹，喜欢自由的生活。谁要是欺负我们的朋友，
谁？
看谁敢！
我们就告诉他，我们是小鸡不好惹。
哇哦，小鸡们好厉害呀！快，演出开始啦！快点！
I hate this typhoon! Gosh darn it all! Where are we, Glutton? Where are we? Let's go find out!
Uncle Waddles, free range! Wake up, guys!
Huh? Where are we, Fry Baby?
Let me check. My game tells me that we're in a volcanic vent.
Volcanic vent?
Oh, it's so hot here, Slim. Hey, look, Slim. Them chickens are over there. Let's go get them.
Take your time. We're in the ballpark now. They're going nowhere today.
What are we gonna do with free range? We can't beat him.
Free range? Don't be afraid of him. We have weapons. Chickens, you're gonna be our dinner tonight.
Wow! Dudes, so this is the volcanic vent. Huh? Like, I can't hear a thing, man. It must be super deep.
Free range, you shouldn't have done that. You can wake up the monster at the bottom. See, I told you, the monster's getting angry.
It's not a monster. It's magma.
Magma?
It's even more dangerous than monsters. I think we've got a volcanic eruption on our hands.
Volcanic eruption?
The scalding magma's gonna blow! It's terrible!
Let's get out of here!
Yeah!
Chickens! Stop!
Charge!
The weasels are coming!
Weasels? I've got a score or two to settle with those dudes.
No, free range, it's dangerous. They've got weapons.
Right! Come on, guys, let's run!
Stop us! Stop! Stop right there! Stop! We should stop chasing all this, or we're never going to catch them.
Then what are we gonna do? Are we just gonna sit here and watch?
Great! I've got a plan! Free range! Stop running like a coward! Let's have a fight fair and square!
Yeah, come over here! Yeah!
Catch us if you can!
Huh? Just watch me.
No, free range, it's gotta be a trap!
Huh.
Huh.
Hey, Uncle Waddles! Do you still remember the fruit you hid under the tree? Glutton ate them all! Free range, teach him a lesson for me!
That's not right! Slim destroy all your game consoles!
Go and show them what us chickens are made of!
Yeah, get him, free range!
Yeah. The flame inside is burning with anger!
He's burning up!
You're really messing with my equanimity over here!
Where did free range go?
He must be hiding here somewhere. This way, Glutton. Let's get him all for once. Hop to it. You hear? Chickens, you're going nowheres today, that's for sure.
You ain't going nowhere.
Look, I'm warning you, man. You're gonna be sorry if you keep messing with us.
We're not afraid of you because we Weasels are on a mission to catch chickens.
Since you two asked for it, man, I'm gonna do you a little favor, all right?
Run away!
Look, if you had any guts, you'd stay right here, man.
No!
Stop running, you coward! Come back here, you dirty rotten polecats! Come back here! Stop! Hold it! Come back here!
Aren't they tired yet? When will they stop?
I'm so bored.
Fry, what is it?
Huh? Oh no! The volcano's gonna erupt!
It is! Oh no! I don't want to die here! Help! Somebody help!
We really have to find a way out of here.
I'm too young and beautiful to die!
Give it up, you dirty weasels! Whoa! Whoa! No! Check it out! This whole mountain's gonna collapse!
Hey, free range! You're a coward! Come get us!
You're gonna be sorry! Look!
Come and get us if you can! Free range is his trap! Glutton, we're gonna have roast chicken in a second!
Okay.
Small Fry, you've got to do something!
This mountain's gonna collapse in no time! This foam sculpture can stand the burning magma! So there is a way! Stop crying, Uncle Waddles! I have a plan!
What is it?
Listen up!
So, like, I'm going out like this, man? Someone with all this potential.
Free range over here!
Over here!
Free
No!
range, you gotta jump for it!
Huh? Bastard! Small Fry! Look out below, dudes!
Help! Somebody help! No! Oh no!
Hold on tight, guys! Stay away from the burning magma!
But the waves are getting more intense! How are we gonna get out of this mess?
Huh? Watch out, Cheech!
Huh?
Oh, that's not good! Oh, it got me! It got me! Huh? Look at those bones! They're huge! Like a boat!
Huh? Whoa, with lots of teeth. Must be a skull.
Huh? A boat made out of a skull? Huh! That's great! Let's jump into that skull! It'll be much safer there! Hold on tight, guys!
Don't move, Glutton, or we're gonna fall off of this!
I don't want to fall down.
Oh no! Oh, I'm gonna lose my balance! Jump! Jump to that stone quick! Oh, finally safe!
Hey, look, look, Slim! The chicken's over there!
Now they're going nowheres. They're trapped good.
Yeah, they sure are!
Chickens, get in our bellies!
Huh? Oh no, it's the Weasels!
Oh, they're not coming that close.
Small Fry, do you have a plan?
Yeah, I do. Look at all these teeth. We can hold them back by throwing them and using them as weapons.
Good idea. Free range, you pull out the teeth and I'll throw them. All right.
Chickens, we're coming!
Waddles, fire!
Right. Oh.
Is that all you got, big boy? That ain't gonna get us!
Yo. Slim and Glutton, you'll never catch us chickens! Huh? Wow! From this angle, the volcano eruption actually looks beautiful!
Whoa, what a harrowing experience! Whoa! Fortunately, we found a skull to hide in. Crybaby, where are we going now, man?
Let me see. This direction. It heads to Australia.
Chickens, you're not gonna get away from us all the time! We're gonna get you!
快快站起望远镜，看着可别眨眼睛，热气就轰隆隆加马力，这是最冒险的 party。爱冒险的伙伴们来 happy， 我会手猛地抓住一道霹雳。 不管是在夏威夷或南极，我在哪里就有冒险 party。深呼吸，躲开陷阱，一起踩着绿豆在火上滑冰。
悄悄地靠近你，别想跑，我一定要抓到你。
挺起手，别再犹豫，在大草原上驾驶着轰炸机。
睁开眼，这是哪里？正待在惊